Hello, class. I am Dr. Nancy Lopez Castillo. I will be your adjunct faculty for EDL 577 Leading Projects and Teams. So glad to have you in class. I will go ahead and talk about myself, a little bit about myself, as we will be providing ourselves introductions as to who we are, where we are, what we are currently doing, and where we're from. First and foremost, you can see myself here with my husband at a function. And then you can see me at the bottom with my entire family. I have three children, a son and two daughters, and I have four grandchildren. Also, you will see in the circle my cross team family. I do like to exercise. Given that I am retired, I am working part-time. And so this gives me a sense of being healthy as well as being part of a group that also leads with spiritual guidance. You will also see me at the very bottom, my first job after retirement. I am a mentor to an elementary principal since then, March of 2025 to now. I mentor an elementary principal and a middle school principal. My educational background is that I have an associate's of science and mathematics from Austin Community College in Texas. I also have a bachelor's in mathematics from Pan American University, a master's in educational leadership from UT Pan American, and a doctoral degree from the University of Texas, Rio Grande Valley. And you can see the title of my dissertation, being that I was a former high school principal. Of course, I was very interested in knowing the function of graduation on several variables, from attendance, discipline, mobility, educational background of the parents, language arts, and math achievement. And so I completed my doctoral in December of 2018. Also, here we do have our Grand Canyon College of Education, where our learning goals include the learning, leading, and serving. So we are all about servant leadership. So this course that we have before us focuses on building a collaborative culture that fosters effective teams and projects. The topics include exploring, including delegating responsibility and supervision of projects and leaders. And as you know, sometimes leaders have a difficult time letting go, but we do need to be able to grow the next generation. The topics in this course will include building a collaborative culture, topic one, that is being done in 1 week. I believe it is from Thursday to the next Wednesday. Topic two would be managing change effectively. Topic three, building effective teams. Topic four, coaching, mentoring, and delegating responsibilities. Topic five, supervision, projects, and teams. And topic six, reflecting on leadership skills. There will be weekly announcements and topic breakdown videos, if not videos, a PowerPoint. There will be a discussion question forum in our space for dialogue and learning together, which is valued at 5 points. We also have the class resources of which I will navigate through the Lopez Write, which is required, and there is guidance in your Halo. We have class resources, the two references we're going to be using, or your resources. Discussion questions. All discussion questions posed should have at least 150 words, written as a well-developed paragraph. Share your ideas and cite your sources using APA. So discussion question one is due by Thursday. Discussion question two is due by Saturday, not Friday. I know the little picture on the top says Friday. So the participation is valued at 20 points per week. You do need to respond to your peers. Participation expectations is active participation, which is essential to this learning process. We learn from each other, the ideas, what's going on in your district, and how we can connect with you and provide you maybe the same similar experiences that we may be having. So there are weekly discussions in the platform. Insight, explore topics, apply concepts, and engage with diverse perspectives. Quality participation includes a thoughtful reply to connect the theory to real-world examples or personal experience, contributions that go beyond the textbook content and stimulate deeper conversation, relevant follow-up questions that expand on discussion, and from those questions, you will respond to your peers. Always be professional, respectful at all times. The minimum participation requirement is one substantial post per day. 3 days per week. So we are looking for 1 week. That would be 3 responses to your peers. The next week is another 3. The following is another 3, and so forth. So the tips and tricks that we have is at least 3 when you do write in participation. A, acknowledge your colleagues. B, bring more ideas. And conclude with a question or a statement. Of course, the grading policy here gives you an A from 930 to 1,000 points. Be very diligent in reviewing your assignments because it gives you an A from the start, even though you are not at 1,000 points. I have seen students who drop and then they submit work later. Make sure you text me about that, or you can email me. We do have a where we can chat between you and I. Recommendations is to plan your weeks accordingly, make a schedule, don't fall behind, get ahead, download the APA template, Student Success Center, review that, library resources. So here's an example schedule. Monday posted DQ. This is just an example. Discussion question 1, Tuesday respond to 2 peers, Wednesday post discussion question 2, Thursday respond to 2 peers. I will also, and you'll see in red that I will post a which is a curriculum technique. It's a question here as well. You do need to respond to mine. And so it's relevant formative assessment to check for understanding, inform them participate, and to achieve learning objectives and outcomes. So I will ask how you're doing thus far and so forth. Example, a schedule would be Thursdays, post your DQ1. I will post the CAT. Friday, respond to 2 peers. Saturday, post your DQ2, respond to 6 peers because here we have 3 per post. Okay, so I'm going to now navigate to our next item, which is our Blackboard. Excuse me, Halo. Okay, so in Halo, you will see you have a calendar, and I like to go through the calendar. Currently, I am teaching other courses, but the one I'm looking at is leading projects and teams. So we're going to be doing class introductions, and as you can see, I have already provided my introduction. And if I go back to that, let me just verify that for you. Go to discussion. And so here, I guess I have not yet, but I will be posting my introduction. I will reply and provide you some information. And if I just go back to this course, you have the summary, answer this is 0 points, class introduction of 0 points, but then you go into the topic. And here is where I will post a CAT. I will go ahead and put a CAT, and then I will talk about how it's going thus far, if you need any assistance, and provide you my phone number, of which I will have already done so in the PowerPoint. So here is the syllabus. You can see the syllabus here. Just scroll down. It's the same thing I posted. You have it week by week, August 28th to September the 3rd, max points 130, and it just goes through. Okay, so you have participation requirements. You have your course grade scale. And so then I'm going to go ahead and go back. We have discussion forum. And in the discussion forums is where you can actually, on the messages, you can actually, if you want to reply to me privately, you can do so. So once again, students, I'm really excited to see you in this course. It's going to be a great 6 weeks. And I look forward to seeing you on video when you submit your assignment. So once again, have a great either morning or evening, and I look forward to helping you be successful. Thank you.